when I hear something amazing. Oh, and feel free to tell your friends too. So, Kohl's, they're having a huge sale on summer stuff. And if you live for sunny days like I do, you need to check it out. I got 40% off a new patio set, Food Network grilling essentials for 20% off, and 50% off those yard games my kids won't stop talking about. Best part? I got an extra $10 off and some Kohl's cash. It almost makes being cooped up all winter worth it. Almost. Select styles, 10 off 25, offer valid May 27th through 31st. Some exclusions apply. See store or kohls.com for details.
We were playing against Mohan Bagan. There was a Brazilian Lima. He was very, very good, and they asked me to play as a right back at that particular game. And we were in the lineup. Like there was big crowd, almost like 90,000. So they asked me to, okay. And our manager Saban Paul, he was manager from 30 years. He passed away. So he came to me like cigarette, like oh, he was so tense. Kabra, लीमा बहुत अच्छा प्लेयर है दादा भाई उसको देखना है यार कुछ करना है यार आई सेड कोई बात नहीं दादा हो जाएगा लेकिन पता नहीं कैसे होगा लेकिन हो जाएगा we were just going through the tunnel we were just gone up the first thing he just looked at me I said I'm going to break you today he didn't understand English I said I
You showed that you'll break, huh?
Yeah, so he got to, and he knows that he just tried to get the ball from the midfield. He knows that I'm running behind. I just make a slide. He jumped. I didn't even touch him. He knew that I am going to be. So I got yellow card at the first 20 seconds.
That is Harmanjot Kabra in a nutshell. He's the player you want on your side when you're in the trenches. Someone who will always give maximum effort in anything you want him to do, in any position you want him to play. Now, this interview was recorded in the middle of the season, just after he finished his 100th appearance for Bengaluru FC. And we are putting this out now as he leaves Bengaluru FC for a new challenge, seemingly in Kerala Blasters. In this chat, we talk about his time in Bengaluru, what makes him the player that he is, and his career as a whole. There might even be a touch of a coach in him, looking into the future. So, here we go. So, first of all, thank you so much for doing this and welcome to Injury Time.
Thank you so much to you for inviting me here.
So, 100, that's a big number. So how do you feel after 100 games for Bengaluru FC now?
It's good for the motivation for the future. To be honest, and to be honest, I didn't know about this, and just Kunal he came and he just told me that this is your 100th match for BFC. So I was already so I was shocked and. Not that surprised, but I have never asked him like so about my numbers and matches and all. I always trying to do the next step for my what best I can do, even in the training. So when I have just got to know, so I was very happy.
So if you go back to the time when you came to BFC, you were the captain of East Bengal. To come from there to BFC, what made you, choose that decision?
They were very much interested in me. The management, they were interested in me when they just planning to come in the ISL. If I'm not wrong, I think at that time, the first draft when 2014 has happened, so they had picked me as the first choice. So then they had then Chennai FC has took over, and I have to go with the Chennai FC and Bengaluru FC. They were just in the I League, so they were interested in me, and I feel very much fortunate in that because very less people they get opportunity to play and wear this jersey. So I got offer from the best professional club, and it really helped me a lot. That there is still I have to do lot more for my future. I can do betterment for myself. So I had a contract with East Bengal, Even before year, they were like they asked me to renew it, but I was not in because we were not winning the I League. We were always second, or we were the contenders, but I was not very much happy with with the performance of individually, or you can say about like unless you don't give what supporters are looking from the players. I think then you have to make a switch. And I had planned if I don't win I League switch it. It was not sure that BFC, but maybe in some other club. But luckily it happened in here in BFC. So this is how it all started.
So, so after coming here, I've been covering BFC since the beginning, since I'm from Bangalore. I have never seen a person other than Sunil who was so consistently featured in the team. And Sunil always plays on the left. You play defensive midfield. I've seen you play right back. I've seen you play wing back, sometimes left back. How does this work? How are you able to play so many different, positions like a Swiss Army knife kind of a man?
I think it's all about your capabilities, what you are best in. Sunil Bhai is best in his scoring, which I'm not known as a striker. So I always had mind like if you first thing a player has to think of not to be about like you are a defender, you are a right back, or you are a midfielder. The first thing you have to be there in the first 11, which you can show to the people, which you have opportunity to express yourself. I think players has to take care about like what best they can do for the team. So I always try to be there first thing when the season starts. I always starts from zero. The mindset has to be like it's not about okay. If you have been played like the last 3 years or last 10 years, 14 years doesn't matter. It just take two matches just to be set out. So you can't take things granted. I never had that kind of a mindset. So and if you keep in mind like the next training has to be the best training and next match has to give you 100%, and I always try to do that. I think that really has helped me a lot. And uh, there is a leader, there is a captain, and if you're standing next to the captain, if you just talk about me, uh, you have talked about Sunil Bhai. So it's kind of big thing for me, and it really inspires me. Like I have to be there beside him, stands always to be his man and to help the team. And it doesn't matter wherever you play. The thing is what you are giving to the team. That is more
So,
important for me.
where is your favorite position? Because the Cabra I remember before coming here was that hard tackling midfielder in Chennai, and you bossed BFC in one of the games when you were playing for
I
East Bengal.
I came as a midfielder. I know that, but I started my career as a sweeper. I used to play for School India as a striker. But you need to be smart. You need to be like you should have all. If they put you as a right back, you need to improve your crosses. If you are a midfielder, you must have that snatching capability. So if you are a defender, you must have good read anticipation. So if you have all this, you can. It doesn't matter wherever you play. You already. Or it's a kind of book. If you have a book, which chapter it comes, like okay, right back, you just go there and give your performance. I always take it as a challenge, and it makes me like okay, now another chapter. So I have to go to the right back. I like to be like in the midfielder. But if challenges come, like there are many examples. If they are kind of wingers or they are players like they are dominators, like you have seen in BFC, the wingers they are good. Like for example, Sony Nordi, like Marcelinho, if they used to play Nelson, the players who are dominating the game. If coach has given you the responsibility to just make it happen, so I think that makes me there is no problem. I can do that. And after doing that small uh, taste of that success after do that job, I think that is the best feeling in as a player. Like okay, he has given me the responsibility. I'm doing that. So I hope that I'll keep doing that and giving the best for the team.
When you spoke about Norway, I remember that Federation Cup match where you marked him out of that game. And
Yeah,
Pradyum Reddy recently tweeted about it also, that how
yeah.
you marked him out. So you
No,
are the coach's player,
uh, I think it's a kind of big thing as a player. If coaches are praising you, and especially when the pundits, when like Pradyuman, and he's technically he knows about the players, and he really he knows about the Indian players, what exactly their capabilities are, their stats, their tactics. He's really has knowledge about that. And I still remember when I was in East Bengal when Sony Nodi first came. I used to play as a midfielder, and immediately it was his first derby against. We were playing against Mohun Bagan, and there was nobody to play as a right back. And then they asked me to play as a right back, and he had a record. Somebody has told me like, the things started raising when there is that atmosphere makes you like, oh, Sony Nodi has scored all the derbies wherever he has played in other countries. He had come in IFA Shield. I think he was the best performer in the tournament, and he was, due to respect to him, he was very good. He's extremely he was doing he's killing the defense. So I think that at that time it was great opportunity for me just to rise at the occasion, and what I have done doesn't matter in the 4 or 5 years. If I don't perform in that particular day, and that was a big responsibility on me. And I just I just wake up around morning 3 o'clock, started watching. It was not kind of pressure on me. It was kind of, if I do this, I'll just try to be maybe a next level. Maybe it will make me like, maybe I'm going to uh, whatever I have done in the team or whatever I've done in the last past year. Nobody's going to remember that. The most important is the present day, and I have to be there, and especially when you're playing against Mohun Bagan in big crowd. And they had a good time, and luckily I was able to do that. And there are many examples like this. So I'm very fortunate that then again in BFC, so many East Bengal supporters, they have messaged me. So many uh, their officials, like they won't want to win, and they knew that if we had a good team as a BFC, that it was the best squad that time. So one on one, it was always we had a fight. Like, there are other players. Kasumi was there, JJ, Balwan, Duffy, all players. Lenny was from our side. Eugene was there. So it was one on one fight. So we did that, and I think as a team we were the winner. And my responsibility was to mark him, and I did. I think that was the best part for me.
So this is interview is sort of going to be all over the place, okay? Because I'm just going to ask you things that I want to know. So this is something, and I was doing research on you. I noticed people are talking about the 2 crosses that you put to Sunil this season. You have 24 assists in Sporting and around 40 assists in East Bengal. So you've always been the guy who's given a lot of assists. Is it something that you always worked on? Like Sunil spoke about you practicing crosses separately after training.
Yeah,
You played midfield in the other teams also a lot of the times,
yeah,
not just on the wing. So this is
yeah.
something you always worked on.
So what I think you have seen in modern world, the football has changed a lot. Now, if you watch Premier League and the wingers, the wing backs are the position like in where they get more chance to play the balls to, you can assist. They have only wingers there who can press them. So if you just instead of going, it's not about you just run on the line or just make support your right winger. That is another job. That is the basic job of primary job of a right back. And if you see, like, you can support it, it's all about your own creativity. I think the credit goes to Carlos, to Roca. They have, where I have been, they really have support the best ideas. They give you more tools to use. What exactly we are watching on the TV. So I'm the person who is trying to be more be in the involvement of all the attackings. It doesn't matter you are moving without the ball. You have seen my runs without the ball and making space for Udanta or making space for Dimas or making space for others. So this is all about game sense. It's all about what you are doing extra for the team without the ball. And if you have a best chance with the ball, and I know I haven't scored in my 100 matches, or I haven't scored till now. I have scored only one in BFC. It doesn't make any pressure on me. It makes me more like the best thing is when you assist someone, and especially when you're assisting the captain. I think that is more important for me, and that really motivates me. And when there are many things I was not known about myself, like my qualities, and which I have found here, like when I came here. So this
Like
is
what are the? Can you give some examples on what the qualities are?
like I didn't know, like if I just go from the midfield, I can go for the good swings from the crosses.
Hmm.
I used to have maybe in ratio of in 3 or 4 matches only once or twice. Now other teams, they have they know that this is kind of formula. Like whenever there is a chance, they try to change more wingers on. They try to put players on me. They try to put players on, like whenever I am going up. So there should be always a man with me, not to cross, because there is a captain is waiting for me. His keeper is there, so he always wins the jump, and credit goes to him. If he doesn't score, if there is somebody else, I think he could not even score those goals. And that is extra tremendous, like that is extra quality which I'm getting the uh, that respect from the players, because if he doesn't score, it doesn't count. Maybe I could have done before in the East Bengal, but if you're not getting proper 100% results, so you're not able to do it again, and then it count as a miss pass, or you are just putting the balls away. So I think those things are really changed, and I know about myself. Like I can go inside, I can go swing with the left. Uh, so there is more creativity. There is more other. I can do like go for the midfield instead of going running on the right back position. Those things have changed after coming here.
So another thing is, Pradyum says you will be a very good coach because you are very, focused and you want to train and things. Is it something that you are looking at in the future?
To be honest, really, I'm I'm really very aggressive guy on the field,
Yeah, I know.
and I'm always try to be jolly or make jokes out of it. Nobody even they just wanted to be. Uh, I'm the guy who's there presence in a crowd. I'm the guy who is there to make other people smile. So I have no problem with that. But as a coach, it's a big responsibility, And if I can say if I would be very happy if I'm gonna be coach. And I like to be first thing I like to be as a player just to motivate the youngsters what they do. And I think it's not about it's as a player I'm looking for the players to help them, like to what they are missing, what they can achieve if they do this. Yeah, I can help the players. I can motivate them. I know what they have been really lacking, because nobody has helped me when I have started as a sporting player, as a East Bengal player. There was a lot of pressure, and the people they were there. It was all about competition. It's all about. I always take it as a how to get through, how to be a survivor. Nobody has thought about this. I think so. Uh, and the grace of God, I'm doing this, and I hope that my journey will be continue as I'm doing now. And as a coach, I think it's a uh, long way to go. And if I do that, hopefully I give my best in that too.
Okay. You've played for Sporting, Chennai, East Bengal, and Bangalore now. Where did you face the most pressure?
I think as a player, it would be. I shouldn't say there was no pressure. Well, I usually, when I played for East Bengal at the starting first 2 years, was like, to be honest, like hell for me. I was nowhere because people were admiring me like as a, they they had always expectation about the players. Every player has a different quality. Maybe they were looking in me like I could dribble two three players. You have seen many players in ISL. They can dribble first two matches. They have good dribbling skills. They can beat. They can score. Like, but I was not that kind of person. I'm the so they really had to. It really had took time for me and for them to understand what kind of player I am. I tried to change myself. I had a really hard time. I was like almost there were matches like I still remember there was a time when coach has already substituted me. I still remember against Mahindra United and the crowd they were throwing stones. They were throwing stones. They were putting bottles there in Salt Lake and coach has already substituted me. And then suddenly I think next opportunity when I've already changed my attires, then the coach asked me again to get ready, and because I have to continue, I don't know what has happened, and that was the last best I have given. Where I started, I was like, there was nothing in my mind. I had to give my best. Another 45 minutes I have. So I thought Calcutta is really tough to play. Then another after 5 minutes I was there on the field and I gave my best, and I played my one of the best match against Mahindra. Uh, then coach has called me like you have done a good job, and I felt so happy. And then the journey started, and after that it is still continue. If I could have, he could have substituted me. I was so my moral was so down as a player. So these are the things which has made me what I am today. So whenever we feel like if you have seen when we play in Canterva, we try to if we other teams have scored against us, we try to be more to be a good more we are trying to perform more for the team, and that makes you like okay, so we have people there and we have to do it for them and we have to do it for ourselves. So this is what exactly the difference has become now and in the past what I have learned. This is what I have learned. I really enjoy under pressure. And when you play in East Bengal, if you play there in home ground, and if you're losing some local team, 2-0, 1-0, 3-0, and there is a rain, there is a mud, there is a sun, so it was not it's not possible for you to score as a team. But you have to make a comeback, and that is the actual what I have been through.
So if I ask you, you've obviously played in so many of these big clubs. What is the best match that you play from your memory?
Best match. I think I should not. I should I shouldn't be like. There are many matches. There are AFC matches we used to play. I have this is my ninth or tenth AFC Cup in from club side. We have played once against Kuwait SC. They have put me as a so it was not live that time. So I have played as a sweeper and it was one of my best. Then I played against Mohun Bagan, where we were 3-1, 3-2-1. That was and BFC. There are many Federation Cup, Goa, then Northeast. When I made a penalty, after that we made a comeback after 3 days. Second leg we scored. That 3 days was like that was a real kind of test for me psychologically because you have put your team down and it was not I think penalty for me and your team suffered new coach new club for him and we have played against Barcelona. The whole preparation was like finished because of just made one penalty. So I was that 3 days was kind of half time for me. I was waiting another opportunity to be there on the field again, and if you had chance to watch the match again, and
Decide, yeah.
yeah. So the first whistle it started, I started pushing pressure from there right back to there. So so there are many matches. There are many. I can't be so like particular about this. I have played in Sporting, then Federation Cup. I have scored. I was the highest scorer in the Federation Cup that time. So there are many matches. There are many. I can't say any particular. Here in BFC, I can say like in Federation Cup. So ISL normally we had so many. I can't say any particular specifically any match.
But you have a special love affair with the Federation Cup. You've
Yeah.
you've done well so many times in that tournament. So are you more suited for a cup knockout style of football? All on the line in 190 minutes.
Uh, yeah. Even I was counting once I have played maybe a 6 or 7 finals. Or it has started when I first played in Sporting. I don't know how. The first IFA Shield has had we played semi-final, then Federation Cup we played in the finals, we lost, and I was the highest scorer in that after Bachumbai. I was just promising. Then again, and we started from East Bengal when we first become in 2009. We were knocked out first 2 matches, and if we just draw one match, we are going to be out from the group stage. And whenever it happened, and I always played a final and champion.
Hmm.
So I think that is kind of another other story in my life. Fed Cup is yeah. So it's easier to get the AFCs, huh? Actually, easy way. Uh, yeah, yeah. In I League, I always as a contender till the last match. Then after 2 matches, when there are only 2 matches left, he always loses the top spot.
Hmm.
So that really killed me many times. Therein. So I have switched to Bangalore just to win it again, but unfortunately we couldn't make it. We had a new team. So, but ISL is
Yeah,
more above than that.
yeah, and of course, when you talk about those amazing games and all that you've been part of, and specifically that semi-final you mentioned against Northeast United, it was on the corner in the last minute. You blocked the run or something.
Yeah,
Yeah. So the next game, that is probably one of the best crowd I've seen in BFC. There are few others also that I remember, like the Johor match and things. But
yeah,
generally, that was a great crowd also.
yeah.
And you guys pulled off a 3-1 win, I think, in the second leg.
3-1, 3-1. Yeah,
Yeah,
next leg.
that was
Yeah,
pretty impressive.
yeah. They had celebration already in the first leg. Like they were enjoying a lot. Like they it's easier for them to be here in Bangalore, and we were very much sure it's not gonna be easy. Uh, and I still remember at the airport, coach. I haven't talked to anyone. Like I didn't go for dinner. I didn't go for breakfast. We had an early morning flight. Whole night I didn't sleep. I was just then I got what to do. I was looking for the solution. I was looking for what exactly it's gonna be like if somebody who's the guy who is 6'4", 6'5". I am not able to mark him, and I always try to find the solutions immediate after the game. What I need to do, what I need to improvise, and so then suddenly, coach at the airport, nobody has. I haven't talked to anyone. I was so sad with myself. Like I, it was not my fault, but it was like he was smart. He had a smart play on me. Like he just pulled my t-shirt and then he fell down. And there's another story behind that. And even from the start of the game, referee started asking me if you do anything, I'll just caution you. I said I haven't done anything, and then he spoke to Miku. Then referee spoke to Chetri Bhai in the half time, like I'm going to give him yellow card or anything he's going to do. And it was kind of another pressure, like why he's telling all these things, you know. So he was looking that opportunity to just give the penalty. It was kind of to kill me. But after that, I had to I had to find out like what to do if it happens again. You know, for if if people are there, you have to mark someone like this. If it means you have to look for always. It is kind of make me like weak against the opponent. Uh, so I just kept thinking. Then at the airport when we reached after 48 24 hours, then when coach has asked me, Kabra, what do you think? Uh, you you have to mark some other player. So he asked me that thing. I said, Coach, you are the coach. I should not say anything because it's your command after all. But I said, Coach, I'll mark him. So I have a solution for about this. He said, what you have thought about? I said, Coach, I what I'll do. Everybody, like, see, we have seen there are so many penalties are given from the other teams. Even the Indian players, they always struggle to mark one on one with the big players. So what we'll do? So we'll just raise our hands. Everybody will raise their hands. If they just pull us, we will just show. And the immediate when the player who is taking the free kick is going to just touch the ball, then we will start making run. So we can do anything. We can push. So I said we should look after this. And another thing, I'll mark the same man. So then you have seen, like you have said, like I marked the same man, and there was free kick, and I was still looking for him. It is kind of everybody is paused, and I am still moving uh, because it was kind of lesson for me. That 3 days, that 4 days, I think the positive side I have taken among the actions what I have done in my life. I always try to find out positive, and if there is anything I can improvise, I try to find out a solution by myself. That's why I can give advice to the youngster. I can suggest to the youngster that this is the solution, this is the key you have to do. You're going to get something from this. So I feel myself lucky to if I tell them something, if they get something from me. This is
Yeah.
all.
So then what, any stories about the final itself? Because after the final, I spoke to Jackie, and Jackie Chan was talking about how it took him a full season and 117 minutes. We were in the final to win the title, but lost
Yeah,
it in the last 3 minutes. And now he has to work the whole thing again to get back into that position. So to put it in
yeah,
your perspective, you did the same thing. 117th minute, you were also not sure where it's going. Then you win it. So how
yeah,
was it? Especially because last year, the season before, you lost the final at home.
yeah.
So
So
how?
uh, I think that finals I had a rib injury. I could
Hmm.
not able to because it was especially against my former team Chennai FC, and they won it at home. When you have a dressing room, when they like Shetli Paji had said immediately after the final that we are going to make it another time next season, and I will start working from the next morning. I think it was the right thing. Every player has started thinking about this, and I was standing in the there in the stands among all the supporters. So I had that like we have to make it, and the way they scored it was not acceptable. Like it was good heading, but
Hmm.
if you are how could it possible like he scored like 6 feet? Doesn't matter. And so we had that fight in our dressing room. Dressing room made us champion.
Hmm.
And whenever we play against, especially against FC Goa, we always enjoyed it, not a kind of pressure,
Yeah.
because we know they are very desperate to score against us, and their desperation has make us gives us chance to always score against them.
Yeah.
If you remember, we were 10 and they had desperation. Okay, they are 10. Okay, they were in more pressure. So we really we enjoy always like to play against them.
Yeah.
And
Especially
in
I
the
don't know
final,
where because they used to play the certain way always, and you guys had the perfect team to stop them. And then you had the speed in the counter also.
yes, yes, we always had like Udan Tauf. Now you can see we have Ashik. Unfortunately, he's injured. I hope that he'll get well soon and make a comeback. So when you have a Chetri Bhai and a Miku, the players like they are they made confident to the defense to the team like okay they are there doesn't matter you just need to do just to stop their players doesn't matter Brandon doesn't matter Jackie whoever it is you have to stop them and they are there to do their job and this is what they did.
So what was celebration like after the ISL win? Because you came here to win the league title.
We had a lot of fun like after the game if you ask there were many West Blog supporters were there they were like Uh, we had Bhangra, especially. I always like normally uh, I don't I'm not shy. I'm not shy guy like who always if there is a music Punjabi music I'll always try to I do Bhangra and who team does Chetri Baji knows and we had a group always enjoy in that way. This is the best best thing we do.
So I'll ask you two last questions. One is going to be hard and one is going to be quite easy, hopefully, because you had so much experience. Uh, what is the funniest thing that's happened to you on a football field?
On a football field,
If you have one, two, or three instances, you can say.
funniest thing.
Because you guys talk, no, in between the game and all, which we don't know what is happening. But there are some really funny comments that I've heard from other players. So I just wanted to check that.
About me.
No, no, no. Generally, that the conversations they had on the field, some really funny things off the cuff.
They are the players like they know that I'm going to stop them or they are going to face me. There are many funny things like due to respect to them, they are good players. They were big names there among them. I used to had like when even start of the game they just asked me not to kick them. And there's one another incident when we were playing against Mumbai City FC and Magic Mishra especially called me out from the dressing room. He asked me like cover up, please don't get caught. This is especially for you, and I think that has never happened with any other player before.
Mm.
And uh, against the players, there are many. Like when we were playing against FC Goa and Nishu got red card, I asked coach that I'm going to go as a left back. Then Jackie was there, just said one, two, three things like to him. Like then Varinder Paji, he was the goalkeeper coach FC Goa. He got to know that I have said something to him from the from the duck. So he got to know. Oh, coach, we should substitute Jackie. He's gone because Kavada. And in Federation Cup, we are playing against DSK, and a guy just kicked me like here, and he was really playing good. I don't want to say the name. And sometimes you need to be rude, and I just gave him one. And Udanta has saw me, and he was talking, "Paji, what are you doing?" So these things like funny things like if you play, I was playing against Tony Nordi, and we were in the lineup. And he came. I said, "Oh, hello, brother. How are you? How are you, friend? Man, today it's a big day." I said, "Okay." Then we had a conversation. This guy too. And even this year, there's so many incidents when we had a first match. Then I asked referees that you guys really miss me in Corona period, like 7 months. You haven't got any chance to show the yellow card. So what you guys did actually? So please just take care of me. I'm not the player like who has. Then I asked them personally, like, what you guys have thoughts about, like, what players when you. He said You players, he is giving me many names. You guys are like, if you make a small uh, tackle or something, it really makes us like, this guy is going to give a hard one, so we have to give him caution. This is their psychology, guys, and there's nothing like that. Sometimes you have to make for the tactical for the team.
Hmm.
And there are many funny moments in football like I had in my life. I'm really dirty man there. So I shouldn't say the names. There are many big names. There are many AFC matches. So I really like to be like this, because if you let other to dominate yourself, I think you're nowhere
Yeah.
and your team will suffer.
So I have this thing, okay, because of people, even I have thought you do get yellow cards a lot, but you very rarely get a red card. So you know how to manage the game after you get the caution also.
No, I was playing. There are matches, and when just got a first 20 seconds, 30 seconds, I got a yellow card. Because that is the time you need to. We were playing against Mohan Magan. There was a Brazilian Lima. He was very good, and past he has performed the best game against Team Bengal. And anyhow, they asked me to play as a right back at that particular game. And we were in the lineup, like there was big crowd, almost like 80, 90,000. So they asked me to, okay. And our manager, Saban Paul, he was manager from 30 years. He passed away. He was so tense. He was having cigars. So he came to me like cigarette, like, oh, he was so tense. Abra, लीमा बहुत अच्छा प्लेयर है दादा भाई उसको देखना and he was like kind of that, that
Yeah.
request is so innocent, like यार कुछ करना है यार. I said कोई बात नहीं दादा, हो जाएगा, लेकिन पता नहीं कैसे होगा, लेकिन हो जाएगा. And Chetri Baji was playing for Mohan that time.
Hmm.
When we were just going through the tunnel, we were just gone up. The first thing he just looked at me. I said, "I'm going to break you today." he was he didn't understand English. I said, "I." So
You
and
showed that you'll break, huh?
yeah. So he got to, and he just he knows that he just tried to get the ball from the midfield. He knows that I'm running behind. I just I make a slide. He jumped. I didn't even touch him. He knew that I am going to. Maybe if I could have touched him, or it could be red card, but he just jumped so badly. So it was so like he did good diving. So I got yellow card at the first 20 seconds. After that, he whenever he just look at the ball and he was looking at me where I am. So if you let others dominate, I think you're going to suffer whole game. That player has to know that your presence has to be there.
Yeah. So this
Yeah.
is the last question, and this will be a tough one. Can you pick the best players that you played with and make a team out of
From goalkeeper.
them?
Yeah, okay. Gurpreet.
Straight away.
Gurpreet as a right back. And no, Gurpreet the goalkeeper, right back. Now right back.
You can put yourself.
I have played against.
No, played with. Or
I
played
have
against
played.
if you want to. Sure, why not?
Okay, I have played with. This easier for me. Otherwise, okay. Then I'll take. Yeah, Jono.
Hmm.
Yeah, obviously Kwanan is there. Yeah, left back. I'll go for Robert.
Hmm.
I'll take myself as a midfielder. Me and Mehtab.
Mehtab. Okay.
Yeah, we had good coordination that time. I'll take Tolge on the right,
Hmm.
and there will be. I'll go for 4-3-3,
Hmm.
and Chetri Paji on the left, and there will be a midfielder like I can say Kevin Lobo,
Hmm.
and striker has to be Miku.
Hmm.
Yeah, the best.
Yeah. One more midfielder missing, no?
Now Kevin, me and Mehtab, Miku,
Okay.
Chetri Bhai and Tolge.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
That's a team and a half, huh? Who's the best you've played with, though?
Okay. So then I say, I think all the foreigners till now I have played. I think Miku was the best.
Who's the best?
Yeah, if you go for there are players like if I can go for Ilano and
Ilano is amazing.
Mendoza was best. I can choose him. I could like there's another team. If you go for Ilano, Mendoza, then you have played against Sylvester with Sylvester.
Hmm.
They were the players like they have made me like just to shift from I League to the ISL.
Absolutely. And
Yeah.
one word on Sunil, because I know he welcomed you to the dressing room saying "Kaha." What
He
has he
really,
meant for you? Because you guys seem to have a good chemistry.
I have never I had a less time to play with him in
Hmm.
national team, so I really unfortunately miss it. But hopefully, if I get another opportunity. But he is the person like if you're ready to fight beside him and always we can do something better for the team. He's very hardworking. I think youngsters should have seen him like what he does on the field. What kind of uh, choices he made off the field. What he eat, what he do, what he thinks, what he read. I think that can make them the best of this country. And
Absolutely. I think
this is what I have. If I think I off the field, if I see what I do, if I just as a player, I do some percentage of that. If I'm getting this, and if youngster they have great future, and football is developing here, I think he's the biggest example. There's no other one.
you've been absolutely a pleasure to talk to you.
My
Thank you so
pleasure,
much for
sir.
your time. I've
Thank
taken
you
a
so
lot
much.
of
Thank
attention.
you.
All the
Thank you
best to
so
you.
much.
I hope you had fun. So,
Yeah. We really had fun. To be honest, I have never done this before.
uh,
Kunal has, he has told you, but I'm not the person who is always there, busy with all these interactions. But
no, you're not. I spoke to you only one time. That's
yeah.
when you first joined. You had
Okay,
small this thing when you came and we had a small interaction, like 3-4 journalists. Other than that,
okay.
I've never seen you speak to anybody or.
No, I'm not the person much doing all this interaction because first thing, yeah, until unless you don't, your performance has to speak. That is the thing, and I don't think so. This is how it really works for me. बातें ज्यादा काम कम काम ज्यादा करो और बातें खुद ही होने लग जाएंगी.
Yes,
So
but this has been great fun. I've heard stories about you from your teammates, who you are, and it's exactly how you've come across here as well.
I hope that
Just
I'm not disappointed you.
no. I knew it was going to be a funny chat because I from other players this is what I've heard. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir,
All
to
the
be
best
here.
to you for the season.
Thank you.
Summer means longer days and sometimes longer weekends. Make the most of yours with Memorial Day savings now at the Home Depot. In-store, online, store-wide. Get grilling and saving with a 5-burner Next Grill for only $199. Regularly $249. Save on everything from mulch to mowers. Ready, set, summer. Memorial Day savings. Here now, only at the Home Depot. How doers get more done. while supplies last.